Hello everybody and welcome to ProFiBUS. I'm Fabio Guida, International Sales Engineer here. I hope you're all enjoying our video presentation of all the new features we have to offer for you. I don't know you, but as an Italian, I always love to eat something when I'm watching a video. So here I am with my popcorn machine, ready to watch all the videos Oh, something happened. That can be right. Not an issue. I have enough popcorn to eat, so not a problem. Okay, I'll fix it. I shouldn't fix it, but... Alright, we have the hero kit. So, thanks to the Atlas, the Amphion Gateway, the ComBricks, and my friend Snap, it should be quite easy to fix it. Let's see what it is. Okay, let's see. Normally I would panic, but thankfully I have Snap, so I don't have to do any real work, just need to click. So let's see on the ComBricks what it says. Yeah, definitely there is an issue. Let's see on the scope images what the issue could be. Still no idea. That doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, let's see if Snap can help me. It's a missing termination. Still no idea. Let me see what it is. Oh, it means there's something. On the cable, I have a missing termination or a broken cable. What should I do? Let me see. That seems easy enough. I need to just check the tool termination. Let me see if I can fix it then. Okay, let's have a look. So, this is one of the termination, but it's on, so can't be this one. Means that the other one should be here. Okay, that should do the trick. I feel like I could be a support engineer as well now. Let me see. That should be fixed now. Aha! Elmer, come get your popcorn.
Already? I'll pick it up.
Yeah, hurry up. I hope you will enjoy the videos. And if you have any question, or if you want just some more popcorn, write to info@procenter.com and we will answer. Hurry up, Elmer. Who else wants the popcorn?
Me.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, thanks.
These are really, really good.